Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and going straight to battery health and charging. This reveals maximum capacity and whether peak performance management is active. Once you know those numbers, make immediate changes. Turn off background app refresh for heavy apps, set mail to fetch manually or hourly, and limit location services to while using. These first actions reduce constant drain and give you a baseline so you can measure improvement over the next cycles. Next, you train charging habits. Enable optimized battery charging so your phone delays the final 20% until you need it, which slows chemical aging. Make a habit of topping up between 20 and 80% rather than full overnight charges. This reduces stress on the battery. Also, use Apple-certified cables and avoid frequent fast charging for daily use. Reserve fast charge for urgent situations. Once done, these steps materially slow capacity loss. To finish, set a monthly check routine. Record maximum capacity and watch trends so you catch declines early. Make a calibration run once a month. Charge to 100%, then use the phone until it shuts off, and charge uninterrupted to 100 again. This helps the system estimate capacity accurately. If your capacity drops below 80% or you see throttling and sudden shutdowns, make sure to schedule Apple-authorized battery service to restore full performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.